Hey guys, it's Rich, RJ Timber Frame Company, main timber frame. Hey, today we're doing some sharpening of some edger saw blades. This is a split blade. It's a 14-inch diameter, but they're cut in half. There's a through shaft that goes through the edger, and you don't want to be taking those shafts in and out and losing your position with respect to the shaft and the bearings and so forth. So they make these as split blades. So the word is you never have to sharpen these. The rest of the story is every now and then you got to clean them up and sharpen them. So you're going to see on these blades here, you're going to see a lot of buildup here, this black stuff. What this is pitch. And then what the pitch does, it gets hot. And if you don't clean these things up, what's going to happen is they're going to get hot and potentially warp, and they're not going to cut the way you want. So with the arbor space this big, you can't run it on a typical sharpener. So what I've done is taken a, I don't know, 10-inch saw blade here, drilled it out four holes pretty precisely, and now I'm using the regular arbor from the 10-inch saw here so that I'm able to locate the blade so I can go in and cut. Let me zoom in a little bit and show you the setup here. I'm not going to bore you with the sharpening because you've probably seen that before, but let me zoom in. So what we've got here is we've got the blade. You've got a stop over here which holds your blade in position, and then what you're going to do is you're going to feed it in here and you're going to sharpen like this. These blades are straight, so you'll notice over here, let me see if you can see that. Yeah, just about. That's the this is the angle. So what you do is you'll set it up over here, zero it out, zero, and then you come over here and do the best you can to get this zeroed out at the same degree. So I'm off 0.1 degree. I can live with that as far as the sharpening goes. So what we're going to do now is we'll be able to sharpen it like this. We'll index it, bring it back, and sharpen again. Now we'll be able to sharpen it. When we're done, we'll take some acetone, we'll clean up all this other black residue around the blade on both sides so that we've got a nice steel blade, put a thin coat of oil on it, and then these babies are going to be ready to go again. Again, if you don't clean up this black stuff, what that is that's burnt pitch, and it's heating up your blade, and if you don't clean these blades up, they're going to warp on you. All right, so that's a jig. Again, it's a saw blade drilled out in 4 positions, able to bolt on my holes. It maintains the correct arbor size. It indexes properly as you go in. Index, go to the next one. So you'll see it's pretty much right on the money with these bolts. Bolt on your 2 halves, and then you can sharpen. These are straight sharpening at basically 0 degrees, so they're straight on. We'll go in there, clean those up, clean up the rest of the blade, then we'll have our edger that's running better, and just some maintenance that you need to do to your blades. All right, got any questions? Send me a note, click like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.